Hey, this is Sandy with our We Tennessee Homestead. So today I wanted to share with you a project that Tim got finished about a week ago, give or take a week or so ago. Anyway, those of you that have been watching our channel for a while know that my clothesline was actually where we put our chicken pen, chicken enclosure. So it had to be moved. So Tim has been working on a double capacity solar dryer for me, and I'm going to turn it around so you can see. Okay, so my old clothesline had 4 lines on it. This one has 8. It's a double capacity. I've got three loads hanging right now. I've got a 4th load in the washing machine, and I'm still going to have room for more. If you have your own property and you can put a clothesline up, I know most people are used to the convenience of a dryer, but a clothesline is a great way to save on your electric bill. It's good exercise too. Walk out, get out in the sun, get some vitamin D going on your skin, hang your clothes, get that fresh air smell to them, unless you live near a city, of course, but hey. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. It was a project that we've been wanting to do for a while, and Tim's knocking some things off the to-do list. I think today he's planting some fruit trees, and we'll show you that when they're done. We've got 5 fruit trees that we got less than $20 a piece down at the Priceless grocery store, and they were between 4 and 6 feet tall when we got them. They've grown some since. They've been sitting in the bathroom waiting to be planted. So anyway, I'll go ahead and go for now. Just wanted to share that quick update on our new solar dryer, and appreciate you watching. Please hit the like and subscribe. I've got some exciting news. Some of you saw my video about losing our rooster and 2 hens, so I've got some updates on all of that, and I'm going to introduce you to someone new to the homestead. So see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.